Resize lang muna. Hindi siya runny. Uy, yung scope of coverage is not the eye. Runny. Para ma-compare natin yung finish ng product sa skin. Ganito yung finish. Dewy. Dewier siya kaysa sa Hello Glow Tinted Sunscreen. Kaya ng Lux Organics na runny. This one tamang-tama lang ang pagka-creamy ng product. Finger method, sheer coverage lang ang nagbibigay ng product. As you can see. Hey guys, beautiful day. In today's video is labanan ng tinted sunscreens that I have right here in my vanity area. From 3 local brands, 3 tinted sunscreen na meron ako. Hindi pa to lahat guys kasi wala akong from Bello, wala din akong from Brilliant Skin. The one from BLK and I think Easy & Co. So wala ako nun. So what I have right here is from Fairy Skin Premium Tinted Sunscreen and also Lux Organics High Protection Perfecting UV Tint. And lastly, the new Hello Glow Niacinamide Tinted Sunscreen. These 3 products are equally safe and effective talaga. Nagamit ko na tong tatlong to guys. They offer both UVA and UVB protection. And yes, tone adapt silang tatlo. They have brightening ingredient. With Fairy Skin Tinted Sunscreen, meron siyang Bright Gen for its brightening effect. With Lux Organics Perfecting UV Tint, meron siyang 2% niacinamide at meron din siyang vitamin C. Yung vitamin C niya dito is ascorbic acid. And with the Hello Glow Tinted Sunscreen, from the name itself, meron siyang niacinamide. Again, this 3 tinted sunscreen is with high protection, SPF 50 sila. Nagkakaiba lang sa PA++. With Fairy Skin, it's SPF 50, PA++++, 4 na plus. With Hello Glow, it's SPF 50+, then PA++++. So, may plus pa. So, very high protection na yun, guys. And with the Lux Organics, it's SPF 50, PA+++. Tatlong plus lang siya. And also, these 3 products has that oil control effect and also may dewy finish na siya. Ayun pa lang, I can say these 3 products are good for oily skin types. And to see the differences of these 3 products, please see the next clips for the application. Starting a new tinted sunscreen today. This one's from Hello Glow. Niacinamide Tinted Sunscreen with Tone Adapt Technology, lightweight, oil control, and dewy finish with SPF 50, PA++++. 4 na plus, guys. With UVA, UVB protection, and this one contains 50 grams. Resize lang muna. Hindi siya runny. Uy, yung scope of coverage is parang makakatipid tayo. Meron pang tinted sunscreen ang Hello Glow. Powder finish nga lang yon. Yung white ang packaging. Matte finish. Matte at first, pag tumatagal sa mukha, nagiging dewy na, as you can see. Hindi nagsisettle sa lines. Ang pea-size amount ng product ay medyo marami na. Dagdag tayo dito. Sa kadalawang pea-size amount of product na ako, magdadagdag na naman ako ng isa pang pea-size amount of product. Actually, half lang sa pea-size. Lagay natin sa neck. Para pantay lang ang color ng ating neck and face. We apply it upward. Hindi siya ganun ka-glide sa skin ko. So, mas maganda sigurong nag-soothing gel tayo sa face as moisturizer bago natin in-apply ito. Sheer to medium coverage, guys. Pwedeng pang palit sa daily cushion, foundation. Try ko next time na i-apply siya using a brush. So, from the previous clip, ang ginamit nating tinted sunscreen is the Niacinamide Tinted Sunscreen from Hello Glow, which is this one. And today, ito naman ang ating gagamitin. The Perfecting UV Tint from Lux Organic. So, the reason why na gagamitin ko siya ngayon than the Hello Glow, not the eye. Ani. Para ma-compare natin yung finish ng product sa skin. Okay? Easy to apply with this one kasi medyo liquid ang product. Mabilis spread sa mukha. Ganito yung finish. Dewy. Color adapting. Ganito siya sa whole face ko, guys. And mas dewier siya kaysa sa Hello Glow Tinted Sunscreen. Another day, another tinted sunscreen, and today we will be using the Fairy Skin Premium Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++++. Two-finger method ang ating gagawin. Hindi kagaya ng Lux Organics na runny. This one tamang-tama lang ang pagka-creamy ng product. Hindi rin to malagkit, guys. It has to have medium coverage, but I can say that it is buildable to medium coverage. But with the two-finger method, sheer coverage lang ang nagbibigay ng product. As you can see, pero may instant tone up effective na ng aking face. And also, kung dewiness lang ang pag-uusapan, mas dewy to kaysa sa dalawang naunang pinakita kong sunscreen sa inyo, guys. I will add some more. Hindi ko na apply ng dire-diretso because hindi ko pwedeng daanan ang aking brows ng makeup or any skincare kasi bago pa ang aking brows, guys. Bagong gawa. Is very lightweight at may fragrance siya, pero konting-konti lang. Hindi ganun ka, yung amoy. Hindi ganun ka strong yung amoy. So, update ko kayo, guys, later kung ano pang ganap na sa aking face. If you are someone na mas morena pa sa akin or hindi ganun kaputian, I think you'd go for Fairy Skin. Kasi for me, Fairy Skin hindi ganun ka puti sa mukha. So, kung i-apply siya sa mas morena, mas makaka-adapt siya. And hindi siya ganun ka long-lasting yung coverage na nabibigay niya. Yung naiiwan niya lang sa mukha mo is the dewiness, na parang basa-basa yung face mo. Parang fresh lang, parang bagong hilamos ka lang, na may konting tint sa mukha mo. Yun yung effect ni Fairy Skin. Tapos, napaka-lightweight niya. Dahil wet yung feeling niya sa face, parang fresh ka. Fresh yung feeling mo with the Fairy Skin. But when it comes to coverage, I'll go for the Hello Glow Tinted Sunscreen na with niacinamide. Kasi, aside sa may brightening effect siya, alam mo yung nauso yung mga BB creams, ganun yung effect niya, guys. Alternative siya to liquid foundations or cushion kung mahilig kayo. Tapos, mas mura pa to. Yun nga lang, with the packaging, mas gusto ko tong si Fairy Skin. Mas nadidispense ko ang product ng mabuti at mas nakokontrol ko siya. Easier to na parang ganyan-ganyan mo lang. Mas nakokontrol mo siya. Ito naman, nakokontrol naman. Pero mas gusto ko yung mas solid ang lagayan. But this one lang, mas travel-friendly, mas nasisiksik mo sa bag, kung maliit ang bag mo. Again, eto parang close to makeup na siya. And mas nagtatagal na yung coverage niya sa face. And masasabi kong mas medium coverage to siya kaysa dito. Mas makakatipid ka rin dito kasi konting-konti lang ang product na gagamitin mo. Pero when it comes to coverage, I mean the SPF coverage, hindi ko masasabing makukuha mo talaga yung buong SPF 50 sa mukha kasi hindi mo magagamit ng buong 2 finger lengths ng product with this one. Not unless you apply 2 finger lengths tapos gradual. Tagong mo na yung first layer, tapos second layer, tapos yung third layer ka. Hanggang 2 finger lengths talaga yung gamit mo. But I think hindi mo na magugustuhan na ganun kakapal because baka maging mabigat na siya sa face. But again, okay siya. Skincare na makeup in one. And also oil control talaga, guys. Hindi talaga ako pinagpawisan with this one. Talaga greasy and sticky yung feeling ko sa face ko. Kung i-compare ko siya sa La Cruz Organics, mas comfy ang feeling ko with the Hello Glow. Mas lightweight ang feeling ko with the Fairy Skin. Guys, yung favorite ko na sunscreen sa Hello Glow is yung gel type sunscreen, yung pink na packaging, na runny din yung consistency, guys. Yun yung pinaka gusto ko. And next to that, I think this one na ang next na gusto kong sunscreen. Pero I don't know lang with Hello Glow, bakit gustong-gusto nila yung mga ganitong type ng packaging as well as their serums, mga ganitong klase ng packaging din. Hindi yung mga ganito. I hope ganito, no? Parang mas ganito yung, di ba? Ayun lang. Mas nagustuhan ko yung lapat niya sa skin ko, yung effect niya sa skin ko. Nagamitan ko siya ng blush brush. Tapos, nag-reapply lang ako ng sunstick, also from Hello Glow, hours after, para may extra coverage pa talaga ako. Now, this is all good for oily skin. Baka may magtanong kung good ba rin siya sa mga dry skin type. Now, sa mga dry skin type dyan, guys, go for these 2 products kung dry skin type kayo. The Fairy Skin and the Lux Organic kasi mas mabasa-basa yung feeling niya and napaka-hydrating niya sa skin. It's not just that this one is not hydrating, pero mas matte kasi yung finish niya. So, kung dry ka, parang mas dry na lalo yung feeling mo sa face mo. So, go for these 2 products na mas liquid. Hindi naman siya liquidy, but hindi ganun ka-creamy yung texture ng product compared to this one. This one is 320 pesos for 50 grams. Marami na yun, guys. At mura na rin yun for 300 plus pesos. This one is 10 ml. Mas mura to kasi parang trial sachet to eh. Pero yung 40 grams nila is 350 plus, 360 plus, 320 plus, 40 grams lang on Lazada and Shopee. Of course, ang pinakamura, 50 grams, 299. Minsan, 250 pa pag nagsisale sila. And minsan, may freebie pa yung ibang mga distributors when you buy this 199. So, let's just say regular price. Walang pa freebie, walang sale. 299. So, now that I have these 3, ano ba yung gagamitin ko everyday? Kung everyday use lang naman, hatid sundo ng bata, punta sa grocery, punta sa market, or mamalengke, or yung mga usual errands lang, kung baga, I would go for Fairy Skin kasi very lightweight siya, may dewy finish siya. Ito yung pinaka-dewy sa tatlo. Mas mura din siya for everyday use. Pero kung gusto ko yung may sun protection ako na para na rin akong nag-makeup, I would go for Hello Glow Niacinamide Tinted Sunscreen. Kasi yung oil control effect niya, okay na okay pa siya pag pinapatungan pa ng other makeup products such as blushes, lip and cheek tints, okay na okay pa siya. Hindi pa ganun ka-shiny tignan, hindi ganun kalagkit ang feeling pag pinapatungan siya ng ibang pang products. With this one kasi, hindi ko pwedeng gawin yun eh. Kasi parang, hindi siya bagay na ito yung gamitin tapos magpapatong ka ng iba pang products. Mas okay na magpatong ng ibang products pag medyo matte or hindi masyadong dewy yung tinted sunscreen na ginagamit. I hope natulungan ko kayo in this video in choosing what tinted sunscreen is for you. All the products are linked down below. And of course, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And to see more of my content, ring that notification bell para ma-notify ka sa susunod ko pang mga videos. That's it guys, and see you on the next product feature. Bye!